Yo. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another VLOGMAS day 15. Guys, like, I'm so excited. You got day 15. I hold me. Yeah, and you push yourself. Anyway guys, as you guys can see from the title below, today I'm doing an unboxing. Huge unboxing. But before that, for those who don't know me, I am going to be the queen, and that's our period, guys. So guys, I'm trying to link up. I get to work in. Get my mom. You get what I mean? Okay, this is for you. So I was seeing in a party, like, to be honest with you, I get. So I was like, let me unbox this box with you guys today, cause box little thing. It's been 3 weeks if I'm not mistaken. It's been a month, and I was like, but today I was like, since I'm not doing anything, why not let me do unboxing with you? So it's like, it's guys. I know myself, this vlog with a unnecessary vlog, a long unnecessary vlog. So yeah, guys, let me open this box with you. Like guys, this is a huge box. Let me show you. This is a huge box, and yeah, me. So I don't know. Okay, okay guys, let's do the most. Hey, it is what it is. Anyway guys, let's open this box. I went like, what if I'm like to show who I am by you need to try to zoom so you guys can see me properly. Right. What's this? What is this? You know my mama can't go. What's this? Blanket. Gray. Okay, this is nice. This is cute. Gray blanket. Purple queen blanket. Mama Konku, I need to find a place. I really need to find a place, honestly. VLOGMAS. Yo guys, copyright. Yo, I almost killed myself. I get VLOGMAS queen one black blanket. So I have gray, purple, and VLOGMAS blanket. Guys, I don't also like it, and it's fine. I get it. I have to leave. I get it. Yo, this one is big. What the fuck is this? Have the sleep of your dream. Yes, yes. Yo, king and come. King. Sheet set. Okay. Another. This green. It's what? Evan. The green one, it's a sheet set. Oh, for this green blanket. So on this green one, it's for this green blanket. Okay, I get it. I get it now. Get it. And the gray sheet. This gray sheet. It's a set, guys, like a set. Yeah, everything. Okay, get the pillowcases. Okay, 2 pillowcases. I can tell you, I'm feel like I'm very saying everything. Shem. Get all the water in future. Get like a couple. Mama, get them party. What? The go. Gray pillowcases. What? Green also. Gray also. Then purple. Is this purple? Okay, purple. I have this purple blanket. So it has the same things also. Okay, then what's this? What that? Duvet. Duvet. Okay, this one is for the green one. This one is for the purple one. This one is for the green. Okay, it's like everything because you know I wanna keep on this. What's this? Getting the door sheet in the game. The door sheet cover sheet. This is the cover sheet. Get the cover sheet if I don't yeah, I like it. It's the annuals taller. It's about when I must leave my house. When you must leave my house. Like 3-bedroom house. Gray, purple, and green. Hi guys, this is it. Whatever mama can make it in carrot, especially the blanket is like it had a just hard. I don't wanna lie. Yeah guys, this is it guys. I hope you all guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe till we meet again, which is tomorrow. Bye.